This video will walk you through using the invoice recognition agent. This agent is designated for a P-team, which can automatically realize the intelligent identification and extraction of invoice information. It involves two main scenarios. One is review the image file input, accurately extract but configured keywords via OCR. Finally, output the information in a structured JSON format. Another workflow is for PDF file input. Add a precondition based on scenario 1. Convert the PDF file to images firstly. We set the two path to upload files, local upload and upload file link. In this video, we kick upload PDF file locally as the example. Click on local upload, choose and upload the target invoice file. There are some optional input fields. Please type in the details according to your requirements. Execute the recognition process by clicking on the Run button. Please navigate to the right side to view the execution result. On the top of the screen, it displays the modules and runtime used for this recognition. Access the data in JSON format by clicking on the result. If there is any parameter is blank within the invoice file, it will mark it as unidentified. The agent will also organize and output the extracted parameters in a table, such as invoice number, total amount. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use invoice recognition agent.